Looking for the best countertop blenders? In this video we look at some of the top 3 countertop blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Ninja Master Prep. Pros: able to pulverize fibrous, hard, and soft ingredients. Interchangeable design makes it easy to switch to different sized containers. Cons: not as powerful as some others. Bottom line: not the most powerful blender on the market, but a good budget option that gets the job done. At number 2. NutriBullet Personal 24 ounces Countertop Blender. Pros: small and compact, yet will pulverize just about anything you throw at it. 12-piece set makes it highly customizable for a variety of uses. Cons: some issues with durability. Bottom line: popular personal-sized blender that delivers quality and performance at an unmatched price. At number 1. Vitamix 750 series. Pros: variable speed system with incredibly powerful motor and a new, lower profile container. Excellent productivity and results. Cons: pricey, but users loved it after they get over the sticker shock. Bottom line: the cream of the crop for blenders. Steep price tag is worth the investment for a durable high-performance unit. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.